The sound outlet of your hearing aid features a very narrow opening that can easily become obstructed by a small amount of earwax. In this video, we will show you how to clean your device to prevent clogs and ensure you continue to hear clearly with your hearing aid. Start by using the cleaning tool to remove any earwax or debris from the ear tip and sound outlet. Next, detach the ear tip from the hearing aid. Clean any remaining earwax or debris from the hearing aid itself. If some earwax gets into the thin tube, don't worry, we have a way to clean it. First, pull the thin tube out of the hearing aid, then pinch the head of the thin tube with your hand. Use the thin wire of our cleaning tool, insert it at the entrance of the thin tube, and slowly push it in until it comes out. Repeat several times and the tube will be clean. Finally, pull out the cleaning tool and reassemble the thin tube back into the hearing aid. Thanks for watching.